if you would have invested just 2000 rupees in this stock in March 2020, currently it would have fetched you 1,70,000 plus, which is a crazy return of 8,000% plus. And these are the exact kind of stories that attract retail investors towards penny stock, which is extremely dangerous. So in this video, we are going to talk about one such stock, the reason for the rally, and is it worth the risk. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. The stock that I am going to discuss with you today is Tata Tele Maharashtra Services Limited, and let us quickly understand the business of the company. This company started as a communication service provider to direct customers as well as corporates. When I say direct customers, I mean it provides prepaid and postpaid telephony services, something like what Airtel and Jio are doing right now, to individuals. Along with this, they also cater to enterprises, which is their business to business vertical. Tata Tele Services Limited and Tata Sons are the holding company of Tata Tele Maharashtra Limited. So to begin with, they had both the offerings of B2C and B2B. But with increasing competitive pressure in telecom industry, this company has been loss making for many years. So due to this pressure, they had to sell off their B2C or direct to consumer division to Bharti Airtel, and after this, they are now primarily targeting the SMB, that is small and medium price business segment in India. And friends, SMB or MSME is one segment in India now which is massive and offers immense potential. Now coming to their product portfolio, one thing that I have realized over here is they are now significantly moving their offerings towards new age segments of technology and cloud based offerings. They help in business automation of small and medium enterprises by helping them work either remotely, securely, or provide them productivity tools which help them scale up their business. So essentially TTML is turning into a SaaS or software as a service based company, and digital is becoming the DNA of it. And with that fact, do not forget to hit that like button and let the YouTube algorithm know that stock markets are in our DNA. So up until now, this was the business of the company. But what really is driving the stock up so much? Let us discuss that. First and foremost, as mentioned, the new age product portfolio shows a lot of promise. Along with this, they operate in the segment of MSME. This is one market which is vastly untapped. So there is also constant news articles and reports floating around that Tata Sons as a group is very keen on reviving this company. So there is a lot of hope around it because of this. Along with these two reasons, there is also speculation going on that TTML is going to be a beneficiary of Tata Super App called Tata Neo. This app will be the consumer facing app for Tata Sons and will have all the B2C business at the heart of it, like Titan, Starbucks, 1mg. And such kind of speculations are also giving a lot of optimism to TTML. So now coming to the main part, we have seen so many positives getting factored in, but do they make really a good compelling story to invest in? Let's have a look at their financial first. This company has been constantly loss making, though their EBITDA is positive, but this company at a net level is making losses. In the last quarter, they made a loss of 314 crores. So what is the exact reason of such losses despite EBITDA being positive? The answer to it lies in debt. They currently have debt of 20,000 crores on book. Due to this, they pay 390 crores just as interest expense. So friends, if this debt was not there, this company would have been ideally profit making. In fact, for a moment, let's keep this debt aside. There is one more fact which makes this story less convincing. There is no sales growth seen from last many quarters, friends. Even if you are loss making or have debt on books, at least your sales should pick up. Chalo, even for the sake of argument, let us keep sales and profit aside. Let's look at their valuations. Currently, TTML is trading at price to sales multiple of 30x, EV by EBITDA multiple of more than 100 times. Personally, friends, I find this very expensive. No doubt TTML has backing of Tata Group, a very strong brand with strong corporate governance. But genuinely over here, I feel that most of the positives are already priced in. But again, these are just my personal views and not a recommendation in any form. So please consult your financial advisor before any investment decisions. Along with all these pointers discussed, let me share another interesting fact. When I look at the shareholding pattern of TTML, the stocks are largely held by the promoter group and the public. The presence of mutual funds or FII over here is negligible. So now you only tell me in the comments simply by writing yes or no that is it worth the risk. So now coming to the part about what I am going to do with this company. This research has helped me identify a company potentially for the future. But personally, I feel this run up in the stock is more speculative than fundamentally driven. With so much of retailer participation, the prices of stock can come down as quickly as they have gone up. And personally, for me, this is not worth the risk at all. And speaking of risk, even that has to be a calculated move. 6 fundamentally strong small cap stocks I have discussed in this video. So after this, you must check it out.